Good afternoon. We begin with breaking news today. Monroe County leaders responding to the first local case of COVID-19 coronavirus. At a press conference this morning, County Executive Adam Bello, Rochester Mayor Lovely Warren, and County Health Director Dr. Michael Mendoza explained their response and what it means going forward. Here is what we know. The patient, a man, flew from Rome, Italy, into JFK on Tuesday, then drove from New York back to Rochester. We're told he self-isolated and then contacted the health department when his symptoms worsened. He was tested at Highland Hospital, and the result came back positive yesterday. That man is in quarantine at this point. He is being monitored, and we're told he is doing well. Health officials are now contact tracing, meaning they're identifying those he came into contact with and placing them into quarantine as well. This is their message for the public.
At this time, we believe the risk of infection in Monroe County remains low. The risk continues to be low and unchanged. I'd also like to emphasize that our team here, up here is legally obligated to maintain the privacy of the individual in question.
As their investigation into this first case continues, local school districts are preparing for possible cases as well. A Greece student, we have learned, has self-quarantined as a precaution. He and his mother traveled to Italy during the recent winter break. Josh Navarro is here now. Josh, you were at the press conference this morning where officials say they anticipated this moment and they believe it's just the beginning. So how are they prepared?
Well, Mark, just like you said, they anticipated this, and it's been in the works through the pipeline. Local officials told us today that they are prepared for what's yet to come because the virus has been slow to arrive to Rochester. That gave them time to better equip with dealing with it than any other city in the state. We also learned that they had been meeting with school officials, superintendents, healthcare providers, and other entities to step in and provide resources to support the community if the needs becomes greater. Dr. Mendoza says in addition to the patient, they have made contact with all the person's close contacts and will be taking appropriate quarantine precautions to ensure that those individuals observe the appropriate time to ensure that they do not become infectious and pose a threat to the larger public. Dr. Mendoza also suggested gatherings of 50 or more people throughout the county should be canceled, and in a major move, this year's St. Patrick's Day parade has been canceled. Officials say it is going to be a community-wide effort to keep the risk low and the virus from spreading.
Because one of my concerns that I expressed is that we need to make sure that access to food, supplies, and also, just as importantly, pharmacies, and those particularly Wegmans is a large provider of pharmaceuticals in our community, and to make sure that they have those supplies. So we had that conversation. We have linked them with our Department of Health to make sure they have that information, and they are working to make sure and understand their importance and the critical importance they have to our community.
At this point in time, part of what we're trying to do is ensure the public that we also need their help. We need their help to remain home if they're not feeling well, to make sure that they wash their hands, make sure that they take every precaution that the health director has outlined to not infect anyone else.
Now, Monroe County officials say they're continuing to update the list of links and resources on their website, monroecounty.gov. In the studio, I'm Josh Navarro, News 8.
All right, Josh, thank you very much. Again, the Rochester St. Patrick's Day Parade is postponed. More cancellations are now coming in as well. The first robotics event at RIT is off. The Gigi's Playhouse fundraiser on Saturday is now off. For more cancellations, find this story posted at rochesterfirst.com.